today's video, we are going to talk about DataWeave 2.0. So this is our first video of DataWeave series. So let's get started. Basically, DataWeave is a programming language that is used to transform data from one format to another. So with the help of DataWeave, we can transform our XML data to CSV, to JSON, to Java. Likewise, we can also transform JSON to JSON data to XML or CSV. And DataWeave is an expression language. So basically, DataWeave used to configure components and connectors within the Mule application. So if I talk about the components, so these are the some examples of Mule components that we can configure with the help of DataWeave, like transform message, choice router, set variables, set payload. So these are the some examples that I have taken. Likewise, we can also configure Mule connectors with the help of DataWeave. So there are some examples that I have taken, like database connectors, file connector, Salesforce connector, and AWS connectors. So there are number of connectors in Mule 4, but these are some examples that I have taken. So we can configure these components and connectors in Mule 4 with the help of DataWeave. Next, there are two versions of DataWeave, as all we know. There one version is DataWeave 1.0 that we use in Mule 3, and another version is DataWeave 2.0 that we use in Mule 4. Next, why do we need DataWeave? So let's understand. So one, just suppose one API sends data in the form of, or I can say sends data, sends JSON data, and another API expects data in the form of XML. So in that case, what we can do with the help of DataWeave, we can convert this JSON data into XML data. And also with the help of DataWeave, we can configure Mule components and connectors, and the next uses to map the data. So these are the some use cases where we can use DataWeave, like to transform data from one format to another, and to configure Mule components and connectors, and to perform mapping of data. So these are the some formats supported by DataWeave. So no, like JSON, XML, CSV, Java, plain text. There are many more other formats as well that DataWeave supports. Means DataWeave can convert or can transform data from JSON to XML, JSON to CSV, JSON to Java, JSON to plain text. So likewise, there are other data formats as well, but I have taken some of the examples here. So summary of today's tutorial is that DataWeave is a programming language as well as expression language. So with the help of DataWeave, we can write a script where we can perform data transformation, as well as with the help of DataWeave, we can configure our Mule components and connectors. Also, as I have mentioned, like we can transform data from one format to another, and we can perform mapping of data and configure Mule components and connectors. So these are the some uh, uses, or you can say introduction of DataWeave programming language. I hope you will like the video and it will be useful for you. So we'll see you in next video. Till then, bye bye.